if it changes its position with a change in time, with a change in, and the new topic is your Newton's law of motion. According to first law of motion, all bodies maintain its original state before applying an unbalanced force. It means if a body is in rest, wants to always remain in rest, or if a body is in motion, wants to remain always in motion before applying an unbalanced force. Second law is that acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the applied force, and the acceleration produced is inversely proportional to the mass of body. It means the acceleration will be directly proportional to the product of force and inverse of mass, and acceleration is proportional to F by m, or equal to k at y m when k equal to 1, then equal to 1 into F by m, or is equal to m a. This is the mathematical expression of second law of motion, and that is ma. It means m into v minus u by t. That is mv minus mu by t. So we can also call it force is equal to the rate of change in momentum of a body. It means we can also tell it in the second law as the rate of change in momentum is equal to the applied force. And third law of motion is to every action. Third law of motion. To every action there is equal and opposite reaction.
If anybody is in motion or in rest, it maintains its states before applying unbalanced force. The tendency of maintaining its state is called inertia.
Acceleration applied upon
Acceleration produced.
acceleration produced are directly proportional of momentum.
Acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the applied
force.
and inversely proportional to the acceleration produced. Yeah, देखो, acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the applied force and inversely proportional to the mass of. Now tell it 1 second. Is directly proportional to the applied force and inversely proportional to the mass of body. अब बोलो तो इसको कैसे बोलते हो?
Acceleration is directly proportional to the applied force and indirectly proportional
To the
mass of the body. So acceleration is proportional to F into force into the mass of the body. So acceleration is proportional to F by m. So by taking a constant k, we can say that acceleration is equal to k into F by m. When k is equal to 1, hence a is equal to 1 into F by m. So we can derive here the formula F is equal to m into a. Reaction, there is an opposite reaction.
equal and opposite reaction.
Opposite reaction, and the example of this is in spring balance. Spring balance, we can pull 5 Newton, and then opposite reaction is equal to 5 Newton.
Thank you, sir.